Episode 1. Ichigo bucking a horse. Let's start. Now come on, Perry. Okay, now what we'll do? We've got to do something. Oh look, there they come. Here they come. Ugh. What a day. I bet so. So guys, how's it going? It's going good. Everything good? Yeah. The bestest thing about this little special world. As for the store, okay? Whatever. La da 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 da. That should keep the work. That's my job to do. Hey kids, my name is Ichigo, the bulldog. You get back here, you squad! Meanwhile, what are we supposed to look for, Prairie? Maybe something good, like a car. Okay, how about a car? What do you think of this car? That's good. I told you. How does it cost? $40. I'll take it. Thank you. Let's try that out. Does that have to leave some pain? Yeah. Hey. CSI-LPS is on. I mean, Lucky Star. Cool, Lucky Star. What's the first episode? The Optians. Cool, let's watch it. This is a weird show. What was the show? Well, let's do it. Do it. Get down from there. This is what? We should watch CSI-LPS. Why? Because it's my favorite show better than this. How about Sonic X? No. Hi Hi Puppy Yummy Yummy? No. SpongeBob SquarePants? No. Kung Fu Panda? No. Digimon? No. Is this ILPS? Okay. There will be Nexon Jetix. It's just gonna be an intro. Oh. That's the thing we did. Oi, oi. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Let's watch some Sonic X. Chipping. Sonic X. Episode 52.
I wonder why Sonic still hasn't shown up yet. What do you think?
Who knows? Sonic's unpredictable.
I'm sure he's on his way, unless he hit a time warp during the transfer to this world. If that happened, he may not get here for weeks, or months, even years.
Time warps are trickier than you realize. All kinds of crazy things can happen if you get stuck in one. Of course, you're just a jewel thief, so you wouldn't know. You don't have a clue. What'd you do that for?
Because I don't like your attitude. You're just a jewel thief, so you wouldn't know. It's just so nasty all the time. Maybe you could try being nice to me once in a while, and then maybe I wouldn't find you so unlikable. As it is now, you're as sour as a truckload of lemons.
Hey, don't hang out with me!
Once I'm gone, you'll be completely miserable, mister.
Actually, you'll be a have to deal with your batty behavior.
Take two.
I'm sure you'll come fighting back.
There's a truckload of lemons.
Hey, don't hang out with me!
Once I'm gone, you'll be completely miserable.
To be continued on Littlest Pet Shop, episode 2. What the heck?